Number 10. Acute insomnia. Almost everyone experiences a few sleepless nights at some point in life. Acute insomnia is the most common type, usually lasting from a few days to several weeks. Researchers have found that stressful events, major life changes, illness, travel, or emotional shock often trigger this temporary sleep problem. During this period, the brain becomes unusually alert at the very time it should be preparing for rest. Instead of slowing down, areas involved in attention and threat detection remain highly active. You may lie in bed replaying conversations, worrying about tomorrow, or feeling frustrated that sleep refuses to come. As sleep loss continues, concentration, memory, mood, and reaction time begin to decline. Even simple tasks may feel mentally exhausting because the brain has not received the restorative sleep it needs. Fortunately, acute insomnia often improves once the original trigger disappears. However, if the brain starts associating bedtime with stress instead of relaxation, a temporary sleep problem can gradually develop into a much longer-lasting condition that becomes increasingly difficult to break without proper sleep habits. Number 9. Chronic insomnia. Chronic insomnia is far more than the occasional restless night. It generally involves difficulty sleeping at least several nights a week for months or longer. Researchers have found that prolonged insomnia changes how the brain regulates sleep and wakefulness. Instead of smoothly switching into sleep mode, the brain remains in a state of heightened alertness. Even when the body feels exhausted, the mind refuses to slow down. Over time, persistent sleep loss can affect attention, learning, emotional regulation, decision-making, and overall cognitive performance. Many people notice they become more forgetful, less patient, emotionally reactive, and less productive during the day. The frustration of expecting another sleepless night can actually make falling asleep even harder. This creates a self-reinforcing cycle where poor sleep increases anxiety, and anxiety further disrupts sleep. Without proper treatment, chronic insomnia can gradually influence nearly every aspect of daily life: work performance, relationships, emotional stability, and long-term brain health. Number 8. Sleep-onset insomnia. Some people fall asleep almost instantly after their head touches the pillow. Others spend hours staring at the ceiling waiting for sleep to arrive. This is known as sleep-onset insomnia. Researchers believe the brain often struggles to transition from wakefulness into sleep because the systems responsible for alertness remain overly active. Racing thoughts, excessive planning, worrying about the future, or replaying the day's events can all contribute. Instead of producing the relaxed brain activity needed for sleep, the mind continues generating thoughts at full speed. Ironically, trying harder to fall asleep often makes the problem worse because frustration increases mental arousal. Over time, bedtime itself may become associated with anxiety rather than rest. The brain begins expecting difficulty every night, making it increasingly challenging to fall asleep naturally. This prolonged mental activity prevents the deep relaxation required for healthy sleep and leaves many people feeling tired before the next day has even begun. Number 7. Sleep maintenance insomnia. Falling asleep isn't always the problem. For people with sleep maintenance insomnia, staying asleep becomes the real challenge. Researchers have found that repeated nighttime awakenings can interrupt the brain's normal sleep cycles, preventing sufficient time in deeper stages of restorative sleep. Some individuals wake several times throughout the night, while others awaken once and struggle to return to sleep. Even if total sleep time seems reasonable, frequent interruptions reduce overall sleep quality. The brain depends on continuous sleep to process memories, regulate emotions, strengthen learning, and restore normal function. Fragmented sleep limits these essential processes. During the day, people often feel mentally foggy, despite spending many hours in bed. Concentration declines, patience decreases, creativity suffers, and learning new information becomes more difficult. Over time, the brain may become increasingly sensitive to minor disturbances, making uninterrupted sleep progressively harder to achieve and reducing both mental and physical performance. Number 6. Early morning awakening insomnia. One of the most frustrating forms of insomnia occurs when someone falls asleep normally but wakes hours earlier than intended and cannot return to sleep. Researchers have observed that this pattern is particularly common in certain mood disorders, but can occur for many different reasons. The brain's internal timing system appears to signal wakefulness too early, ending sleep before the body has completed its restorative processes. As morning approaches, stress hormones naturally begin increasing to prepare the body for the day. In early awakening insomnia, this process may begin prematurely. The result is lying awake long before the alarm clock rings, often with a mind already racing through upcoming responsibilities. Losing those final hours of sleep can significantly reduce alertness, mood, energy, motivation, and mental clarity throughout the following day. Repeated early awakenings can gradually make the brain expect shortened sleep, reinforcing the cycle and making healthy sleep schedules increasingly difficult to restore. Number 5. Behavioral insomnia. Behavioral insomnia develops when habits and routines unintentionally train the brain to resist healthy sleep. Researchers have found that irregular bedtimes, excessive screen use before bed, frequent daytime naps, and stimulating nighttime activities can interfere with the brain's natural sleep rhythms. Instead of recognizing bedtime as a signal for rest, the brain begins associating the bedroom with wakefulness, entertainment, or work. Bright light from electronic devices may further delay the release of melatonin, a hormone involved in regulating sleep. Over time, poor sleep habits strengthen unhealthy patterns that become increasingly automatic. The brain adapts to whatever routine it experiences consistently, even if that routine reduces sleep quality. Fortunately, behavioral insomnia often responds well to changes in sleep habits because the brain can gradually relearn healthier sleep associations. Establishing consistent routines helps retrain the brain to recognize bedtime as a period of relaxation rather than stimulation, allowing healthier sleep patterns to develop naturally over time. Number 4. Paradoxical insomnia. Paradoxical insomnia is one of the strangest sleep disorders because people often believe they slept very little even when objective measurements suggest otherwise. Researchers studying sleep laboratories have observed that some individuals significantly underestimate how much sleep they actually obtain. The brain remains unusually aware of brief awakenings while failing to recognize periods of light sleep. As a result, the person genuinely feels awake for much of the night despite sleeping more than they realize. This mismatch between perception and reality creates understandable frustration. Believing you never sleep can increase anxiety about bedtime, making future sleep even more difficult. The brain becomes hyper-focused on monitoring sleep itself, paying attention to every awakening while overlooking successful periods of rest. This heightened awareness can make individuals feel chronically sleep-deprived even when they are receiving more sleep than they believe, creating unnecessary worry that further disrupts future nights of rest. Number 3. Anxiety-related insomnia. Few conditions interfere with sleep as consistently as anxiety. Anxiety-related insomnia occurs when excessive worry keeps the brain from entering its normal resting state. Researchers have found that anxiety activates brain circuits involved in vigilance, threat detection, and anticipation. Instead of preparing for sleep, the brain remains focused on solving problems that often cannot be solved in the middle of the night. Thoughts jump rapidly from one concern to another, making relaxation extremely difficult. Every attempt to force sleep often creates additional frustration, increasing mental alertness even further. Over time, bedtime itself may trigger anxious expectations because the individual anticipates another sleepless night. The brain gradually learns to associate nighttime with worry instead of recovery. This powerful connection can make anxiety and insomnia reinforce one another, creating a cycle that affects emotional health, concentration, memory, decision-making, productivity, and overall daily functioning for months or even years if left untreated. Number 2. Medication or substance-induced insomnia. Sometimes insomnia develops not because of the brain itself, but because of substances that influence how it functions. Researchers have found that certain medications, stimulants, caffeine, nicotine, alcohol, and recreational drugs can all interfere with normal sleep patterns. Some substances increase alertness directly, while others disrupt the structure of sleep even if they initially cause drowsiness. Alcohol, for example, may help someone fall asleep more quickly, but often reduces sleep quality later in the night. The brain depends on carefully balanced chemical signals to regulate healthy sleep cycles. When outside substances interfere with those signals, falling asleep or staying asleep becomes more difficult. Because many people don't immediately connect their sleep problems to medications or daily habits, this form of insomnia can persist unnoticed. Identifying the underlying cause is often the first step toward restoring healthy sleep, improving brain function, and preventing long-term sleep disruption from becoming a permanent problem. Number 1. Psychophysiological insomnia. Perhaps the most fascinating form of insomnia is psychophysiological insomnia, where the brain essentially learns to stay awake. Researchers describe this condition as a form of conditioned hyperarousal. After repeated nights of poor sleep, the bedroom itself becomes associated with frustration, worry, and wakefulness rather than relaxation. Simply getting into bed can activate the brain's alertness systems before any attempt to sleep has even begun. People often become intensely focused on watching the clock, calculating hours of remaining sleep, and worrying about how tired they'll feel tomorrow. This mental effort keeps the brain active at precisely the wrong time. Eventually, the fear of not sleeping becomes one of the biggest reasons sleep remains difficult. The brain has unintentionally trained itself to expect wakefulness whenever bedtime arrives. Breaking this cycle often requires retraining both the mind and the body's learned response to the sleep environment, helping the brain rebuild positive associations with bedtime and healthy restorative sleep. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to see more.